today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a frog lick. Now, a frog lick is a rocks cocktail that includes vodka, which you can use any brand that you want. I would opt for something a little bit more high-end because you're going to be mixing it with Yukon Jack. If you haven't had Yukon Jack, it's a really overpowering liqueur from Canada. It's 100 proof, so it's going to be stronger. Basically tastes like a blended whiskey of sorts. So we're going to start off by adding our ice into our rocks glass. And we're going to go for equal parts on this. So I'm going to say 1.5 ounces to 1.5 ounces or 6 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give us our desired amount there. You're going to stir that in. And then we're going to top it off with some lime juice, because lime juice always brings out the flavors. In this case, it's going to mute the flavors a little bit, which is definitely what we want because it's so strong. Stir that all in there. As far as a garnish, you feel free to put a lime wedge on there since there's already lime in the drink. Always a good idea. Or just toss it in. There is a frog lick, a drink you might not enjoy, but it might be ordered.